Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. So let's continue. So we are going to see control flow. Okay. So what is going to be your control flow? So the control flow statement of a language specify the order in which the computation are performed. So we are going to study the control flow. Okay. Control flow. So control flow specify the orders. Okay. Specify the order in which the computation are performed. Okay. So you write the control flow. The control flow statement. The control flow statements of a language. The control flow statements of a language specify the order. It is going to specify the order in which in which computations are performed. Okay, so it is going to specify the control flow statement of a language specify the order in which order the statement is going to execute. Specify the order in which the computation are performed. Okay, so we will see statement and compound statement and blocks also. Okay, so that is a statement. So what is a statement in and compound statement, that is even called as blocks. Okay, we are going to see statements and blocks. So what is your statement? So a statement means, so after an expression, when you are writing a semicolon after that, then it is a statement. Okay, after that, if you are writing, if there is expression, after expression, if you are writing a semicolon, then it is a statement. Okay, it is a statement. So write an expression such as x equal to 0 or I plus plus or printf becomes a becomes a statement when it is followed by, after that we are going to give a semicolon, when it is followed by, when it is followed by it is followed by a semicolon, followed by a semicolon. Okay, as in, like x equal to 0, it's a statement. I plus plus, it's a statement. So whenever you are writing an expression, after expression, when you are giving a semicolon, then it's a statement. And printf, it's a statement. Okay, so in C, the semicolon, in C, the semicolon is a statement. The semicolon is a statement terminator. It's a statement terminator. A statement terminator. Okay, rather, so it's in C, it's a statement terminator, just like full stop we are having in English. So in C, we are having a semicolon, is a statement terminator. Okay, now we are having it. Now if you are writing just like any loop you have written, so you will write after that one statement. Okay, but if you want a block of a statement, you want a more number of a statement, then we go for compound statement or block of a statement, like means block. So if you want to this, if you write here a statement I equal to 0, then I plus plus, So it will treat as one statement. It will treat as one statement. So this block is going to, if you want to write multiple statement and want to treat as a single statement, then you have to create a blocks, okay, like this, opening and closing braces. So we will see now block, and that is even called as that is even called as in C, the semicolon. So braces like opening and closing are used to group group declarations and statements together into a compound statement. So that is called as compounded statement. Together into a compound statement called as compound statement. Okay. Or it is even called as block. So you can even say as a compound statement. See, this terminology is important. It seems that it is easy. I know this is the basic things because we are always starting from the scratch. So we are going to cover every point, okay? Because in basic only many students are having a doubt. So into a compound statement or block, so that they are, this is point one, so that they are syntactically equivalent, to a single statement, so that they are syntactically equivalent to a single statement, single statement, to a single statement, to a single statement. Okay. So this is one. Now inside the, like this, inside these braces, you can even declare a variable. Okay. So don't assume that only you can write, because when you're declaring a variable, it is also a statement. And after the braces, there will be no semicolon. Okay. So there is no semicolon after the right braces. After the right braces, there will be no semicolon. Okay. There will be no semicolon. So whenever a expression follows a semicolon, it's become a statement. When you want a compound statement block, then you have to use a braces, opening and closing braces. Then it will treat it as a single statement. And after that braces, right braces, there will be no semicolon. So there is no semicolon after the after the right brace, the right brace that ends in that ends in that ends in that ends a block that ends a it's okay. So our statement is done.